Hey guys, this is Curlinda with YorelNaturals, and in today's video I am going to show you how I make my Tuti Fruiti soap using a teardrop technique to get my design in the middle. I am so super excited about this soap. I have revised it in my mind over and over and over, so I'm hoping that what I have in my head is executed in this soap design. Alright, y'all, so there is no turning back now. Now that we have our oils and our lye solution, let's get mixing. Okay, guys, so the first thing that we're going to do is I'm going to stir together my oils and my lye solution very well so that I can get everything all well combined before I go in with my stick blender in order to get this all mixed up together. Alright guys, so I'm going to give everything a really good blend with my stick blender just to bring it up to emulsification so that everything is all well combined. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my titanium dioxide to my entire mixture before I put my mixture in my squirt bottles to create my teardrops. So here you see me adding my titanium dioxide, and I'm going to go ahead and stir that in really well with my spatula just to get it all together. And then I'll go back in with my stick blender really good. Now this is not a step that you have to do. This is just personal for me that I mix it first with my spatula. And there we go. I have my titanium dioxide all mixed together. Now I am right here, y'all. I haven't reached trace yet, but I am very well emulsified. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour off some of my mix into each one of my cups so that I can get my color blended in, and then I'm going to pour it into the squirt bottles. This is a really pretty blue. Now I will say that I wanted my colors to be like pastel colors, so with my colors being the pastel colors that I wanted, I mixed them in the cup along with the titanium dioxide. But if you don't want your colors to be pastel, don't put titanium dioxide into your entire mix, or you will have more pastel milky colors. I'm going to go ahead and do my next color in my cup. Alright y'all, so I have all of my colors in my squirt bottles. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a little more of my batter to each one. I'm not going to fill them up because I just want enough batter to work with. My main portion of my soap is going to be white. So my soap will have a white base, and the batter is going to create my drops and everything else in my design. So stay tuned, y'all. Keep watching. Now that I have my colors all mixed together, I am going to go ahead and put my lids on my bottles like so. Now, if you are a person who you want to line your bottles, you can put a liner down in there, like a plastic piping bag or whatever your personal preference is. You can go ahead and stick that down in your bottle. That way you don't have to wash out your bottle. But if you do like me, personally, I take a baby bottle washer and I wash my bottles out that way. So for me, it's not a problem. But if you're not that person that likes that process, then that's another alternative for you. And now all I'm going to do is hold my tip and shake so that my color can get combined with everything. And if you notice my tips here, I have my tip where I have them cut at an angle because I want them to create a teardrop effect. I'm just shaking everything up. Alright, y'all, so the mold that I'm going to be using for this design is my tall and skinny mold from the Affordable Mold. You can go and check them out on Instagram at the Affordable Mold on Instagram. I am so super excited about this mold, y'all. You have no idea. So I'm going to go ahead now. What I'm going to do is that I have everything all separated. I am going to put my fragrance oil down in my main white base of my soap. Y'all, and it smells so super delicious, right? This is my Tuti Fruiti soap, y'all. Tuti Fruiti. And there we go. Now what I'm doing is I'm squirting my color down into my mixture. The faster you go and you squirt, the smaller your teardrops will be. So you kind of decide the tempo of what you want them to be. And the deeper you go down in there, the lower they fall. Alright guys, now that I have everything all set, I'm just going to take my glass stirrer and just go across the top like so of my soap. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will show you my cut soap. Alright y'all, we are back to cut our soap. This is our Tuti Fruiti. I am so super excited to see what the inside of this soap looks like, y'all. I do see that I have a few markings on the top of it from where I put it in the oven, and I kind of went down in it when I swirled, but that's okay. By the time I finish beveling and cleaning it, it won't even be noticeable. I am so super satisfied with this soap. If y'all can see here, look, y'all, look. It is nice and shiny. This is our mold, our affordable mold. Yes, indeed. And we have a little bit here, but that's nothing, you know, outside of the norm. Here you go, affordable mold. You see how quick and easy and painless that was to get it unmolded. Now let's get cutting. Y'all, when I tell you this soap smells OMG, so delicious. Look at that, y'all, and that's just the edge. Oh my, this smoke smells so good. And again, this is my tall and skinny mold by the Affordable Mold that I made this in. You can go and check out their website. They are on Etsy.com to be able to pick you up a mold right out of there. Indeed.